So, I have here the finished notebook. So, ayan. Kaya lang, hindi pa natin siya na-press. Since wala akong wooden press, so, ang ginagawa ko is ganito. Ayan. So, pantay-pantay lang natin. Then, put lang tayo ng cover para hindi lang siya ma-scratch. And then, meron tayo ditong wood. This is a temporary. So, I'm looking pa sa wood press na pwede kong gamitin. So, maglalagay tayo ng ganito. 3 kilos na weights. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a total of 12 kilos of weights. 13, 14, 15, 16. So, 16 total of weights na yung ginagamit ko. Then, as you can see, flat naman siya. So, let's see the result after 2 days.